Look at these beautiful ideas from Africa. There's a cabbage plantation, a cabbage nursery, a cabbage bed. Pumpkin bed. Butternut bed. And a watermelon bed. We already have nice butternuts growing here. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing fruits. Amazing productivity in Africa. Look at that. Look at that. Oh wow, amazing. And these are intercropped. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is one of the most amazing things I've come across today. Really encouraging. Yes. This is the amazing growth we have here, and this is intercropped with peppers, green peppers.
Something written here. Biological systems. Look at that, guys. In the midst of papayas.
I think maybe that's where he got the seedlings from, or something.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
Because you see, it's hanging on the pawpaw tree.
Yeah, it's hanging on the pawpaw tree, and I don't know why it's placed there. Guys, drop a comment and let us know why this is placed here. What does this represent? Biological system.
Beautiful sunflower field. Hello guys, I'm here at this beautiful farm that has a mix of almost everything. There's intercropping going on here. This is a wall of napier grass, and I think it's here to prevent soil erosion because it's on a raised path. And then we have lots of sunflower, beautiful sunflowers. And right here we have an amazing fruit plant. The plant has lots of fruits that have already started to form. Let's have a look. Lots of oranges. Oh wow. Right here in the village, people are serious with farming. Farming is actually so lucrative in my village here in Kenya, Africa. And the good thing with our village is the soil does really well for almost every type of plant. So this is an orange tree. So we have here seedlings, young fruits that are now coming up. And then we have others that have already formed and almost mature, but not yet ready for picking. It's a small fruit plant. This is my kind of plant, the one that I like most because it allows you to intercrop. And then it starts fruiting while it's so small. It's well taken care of because now you see it has a lot of branches. And when you have a lot of branches, each branch gives you a fruit, then you're going to have a good production. So we have more sunflowers intercropped, and right here we have papaya trees or pawpaw trees that are already fruiting. See how beautiful that is. Oh wow. We have more pawpaw trees right here, and this is the productivity is just amazing. Guys, look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my god. There's a lot of papaya trees, and this one right here is almost ready for picking. This is amazing. This is my kind of garden. I envision a garden where you have a bit of everything. So the cover crop used here is this one. This is pumpkin plant. It gives you pumpkin leaves for vegetables and pumpkin fruits for eating. The fruits are already here, as you can see right there. Let me show you. Oh wow, this big. This is really big. Let me see if you can see it clearly. It's a big pumpkin vegetable, pumpkin fruit right there, and we have a lot of them actually here. Let me show you some more. See, look at this, look at this. The camera is actually not doing this justice. Look at this, and another one right here. Nice pumpkin fruits. The fruits are doing really well in this area. More pawpaw trees right here that are really fruiting. This is the dwarf type of plant. And then we have spring onions in the midst. More fruits right there. Look at that beautiful productivity. And we have sunflowers intercropped with fruit trees. This right here is a mango tree. Another mango tree right here. We have more pawpaw trees right here. Look at this people. Isn't this amazing? This is only in Kenya, Africa, a blessed land. Look at this, so beautiful. Some already starting to ripen up. I'm actually loving this pumpkin bed. And I'm thinking this could be an amazing cover crop for my plant trees back at home. So I'm here at Amara's place and I'm exploring the environment, and these are the treasures I'm discovering right here. Look at this dwarf mango type that's already fruiting at this point. Not really fruiting but flowering. Here are the nice flowers already forming. It starts to give you flowers and fruits when it's still that young, so it allows you to intercrop with more trees. And you know, sometimes we have a problem with water, and we are solving that problem with this. Amazing. More amazing fruits and vegetables right here. This is a garden of pineapples intercropped with a few fruit trees. This is an orange. Yes, you know, because it doesn't have thorns. Oranges don't have thorns, while lemon trees have thorns. So I'm here with other YouTubers right here. We're having a tour of Amara's village.
I wanted to ask you,
Okay.
they mark? Have you realized they mark? Like from here, that side, they're marking everywhere.
And what have they written? F1. It's like, is it? I think it's the type of seed that they pushed down here.
Really?
Because you see, like right here, you can't tell if there's something that's already been planted.
Oh.
So maybe for easy organization, they mark it so that now you have, when you come, like you don't know what's going on here, you can read and know.
Oh, yeah.
I'm telling you, this person is doing serious farming.
Serious farming.
And it must be well paying.
Yeah, this is serious farming for sure. So there we have like two.
You can see the difference. See the difference of these sunflowers and these ones that are well taken care of. These ones are really tall, and the fruit is so big.
Yeah.
The seeds.
The seeds are so big.
Yes. Unlike this one, and it's the same soil. And do you realize that these ones are planted so close?
So close to each other.
Yes, it's like a bush, but still they're doing so nice.
Yes.
They're well taken care of.
So there is also finger millet.
Yeah.
Yeah. They also do finger millet farming. Wow. So what I've realized actually, when it comes to the planting of this side, they don't only plant one thing.
Yeah. They love intercropping.
Something else.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, we are still in Nyabohansi village. I am Mara's village, and this is what happened outside the villa. We're just taking you around and showing you the farming here, the people here. Everyone here is incredible. This is so interesting.
Give yourself a shout out to my channel.
Oh, okay. Hi guys, my name is Harriet Anabo, a YouTuber from Uganda, Kampala. Thank you so much, Lynn, for having me on your channel. And I'm having an amazing time in Nyabohansi. You told me you grew up from Nyabohansi, right?
Yeah, I live around here. I didn't grow here, but
you live
I
around?
relocated later.
Okay.
But you see the reason. The soil here is so amazing. You can plant anything you want.
Yeah, for sure.
If you push the effort and energy, it gives you nice fruits.
Yeah.
So that was one thing that attracted me here.
Okay.
Because I'm actually doing farming
As
myself.
well.
Yes.
I also love doing farming,
Oh,
but
you
I'm
do?
not going to do this kind of farming, maybe the goat and
Oh,
that
you
farming.
love animal farming?
Yes, animal farming.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you
What I'm
already
looking at.
started?
Not yet, but I'm looking at that.
Okay.
Yes.
All the best.
Thank you.
Are you going to share in your vlogs so that
Yes,
we follow
I'll
you?
have to share.
I will. I'll follow you. I'll follow you and see how
Yes.
it's going for you.
Yes.
I hope it gives you the best results.
Exactly.
Especially if you you put the effort, I'm sure it's going to be amazing.
Yeah.